Hello people, just a quick video not to bore you too much on how to reset the service light. So, in regards to removing the orange spanner light, which is behind the needle down here. Okay, so to my understanding, ignition off, press brake pedal and accelerator to the floor, with them still pressed, press and turn ignition on, and then wait, I believe, up to about 30 seconds, and then it should flash or go off. So still pressing the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal at the same time. Is that the lens of the camera really dirty? Still pressing, and flashes. I'm assuming, I'm still pressing the pedals, I'm assuming now take my feet off the pedals and the light's gone out, ignition off, ignition back on, and there we go. Mission complete, service light off, happy days. Hope this helps, thanks for watching guys, catch you on the next one.